So what's going on, everyone? Today we're about to blow your minds. Imagine a machine that not only prints your favorite photos, but also turns them into custom stickers with insane precision. Say hello to the Liene PixCut S1, the world's first all-in-one smart printing and cutting machine for home use. Now this little guy's got some serious tech packed in. Thermal sublimation printing, 300 dpi resolution, AI-powered cutting, and Bluetooth connectivity. I just can't wait to fire this up. Now setting it up is so easy. Just download the app, connect via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. Plus the app's got a built-in library of over 8,000 free templates and creative tools. Want to add some flair to your designs? It's all here. First up, let's print a classic photo.
So we just came from Mexico and we got some photos. So I'd like to pick 3 of them and just have it printed out with this and see how well it does. I'm also not gonna speed it up right now so that you guys can see how long it takes to print one.
Check this out. 300 dpi resolution, 16.7 million colors, and boom! In under 60 seconds, we've got a high quality photo. Now for the iPhone users, listen up. This exclusive feature lets you create custom back films for your phone. Just upload a design, print, and cut. It fits perfectly like it was made by Apple themselves.
So basically how you do that is you go to the 4x7 sticker paper right there and then the phone protector film. You can choose the iPhone model that you have, but they also have Samsung here. I did say it's only for the iPhones, but they have one for the Z Fold 6, 24, S24 Ultra, and so on. But right now we're looking at the 15 Pro Max, which is our phone here. And we're gonna look at the templates here, and then it's up to you what you want to put in the back here, and then it'll print it. So basically here you can upload a background, as you can see here. Now I got this photo from iFixit. This is the inside of the 15 Pro Max. Basically we're just gonna align the camera holes right there and then everything else should line up. There it is. So let's try this out and see how well it does. And this is what it looks like. I think it's really awesome. What do you think?
Now of course, you can create personalized stickers for a party. From gift bag to table decor, the PixCut S1 makes it super easy. Now here's a thoughtful DIY gift idea. Custom sticker sets. It's creative, personal, and it's easy to make.